I think before the keyboards were not mechanical, right? And then people introduced mechanical keyboards. I feel like this is as cheating as mechanical keyboards were to non-mechanical keyboards, right? So I feel like this is gonna become it'll become the standard at one point.
Hardware level. Maybe I'm
So
wrong
you can fight the wave hard, and I agree that you probably should fight it, but then you're gonna have to level up.
there, but yeah, I think we're at an interesting point in time with gaming keyboards especially, where game developers and tournament referees need to look at this stuff and actually decide whether it is broken for their particular game.